how to add Trustpilot to your Wix website. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you are going to go on this website, and over here in this website you are going to go on reviews option. As you go on the reviews option, then you are going to select the reviews that you want. Let's suppose I'm gonna select the reviews. It's 20 plus reviews, so I'm gonna select all of the reviews. Over here you can search for Trustpilot is available over here, so you have to select it and customize this. And as I customize it, you can say I can go to a dog corso or a slider or a mercenary or a list or whatever I want, or I can do this also. Now I can shift between the other templates. Now I have to go and click on add on my website. As I click on add on my website, I have to select the light version, that is $0 per month. As I click the right version, now I have to copy this code right over here. Then I have to go back on my website. As I go on my website, then I have to click on this plus icon, and then I have to go on embed code, and over here I have an embed HTML site. Now I have to paste it over here and then update my site, and boom, it will update it over here. This is how you can add review to your website or Trustpilot to your website. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.